Hello my angels, my dears, I'm Angel. Welcome to my channel and to another video. Now as you all know, the holidays are coming up and I know a lot of you looking for recipes to prepare for your family as they gather for the holidays. I hope these videos will help you prepare for your holiday celebration. Go through them, choose the ones that you like. I'm sure you'll be able to find some dishes that you'll be able to use for your holiday meal. All right, well, enjoy your holiday, everyone. I love you. Please be a blessing to people, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Why do I call this salad the chill salad? Because you have the cool cucumber, and you have the creamy avocado, and the tomato that tastes best when they're chilled. So there you have it, the chill salad.
What Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
Well, what do you think of it? I hope this recipe will take care of some of your holiday needs, some of the dishes you'll need to make for this holiday season. If you like this video, be sure to give me a like. You know that's going to be a thumbs up. Comment down below and share. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, why don't you consider subscribing today? Please be the blessing to someone. And as always, many blessings and much favor until we meet again. Have a wonderful and blessed New Year's Eve celebration, my angels. And I will see you in 2025.